What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. So let's get started right now. So you want to open your Instagram account, of course, and then go to and then go to your profile picture at the very bottom right. Just click your profile picture here, and then you want to click the three little lines in the top right corner. Okay, and after that you want to click settings, and after you click on settings you want to click on privacy. Okay, just click privacy, and then you will see here in the top private account. Just click it. Let's check this here, and if you have a business account you will receive a message like this: creator accounts can't be private. But if you have a personal account, this will work for you 100%. If you have a personal account, you can easily make it private, but for me, I have a creator account, so I can't make it private because it's meant to be public. It's meant for people to see it. So but I'm going to check my other account, and I'm going to try. This is my personal account, settings, and then privacy. This one I can easily turn it to a private account. You can just check this and then click switch to private account in the very bottom, and then that's it. That's the process. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.